Omega Elevators. Elevating India to new heights, Omega Elevators and Escalators is the premier vertical mobility brand of choice across India. At the nation's premier builders summit, Omega Elevators is honored, celebrating a 40-year legacy built on trust, innovation, and transformative impact. Chairman Unparalleled proudly accepts this award, a testament to the unwavering dedication of a team committed to redefining mobility across India. Chairman Shri Unparalleled, honored by the Chief Minister of Gujarat. This award belongs to every member of the Omega family. Together, we are building the future, one innovative lift at a time. From luxury residences and bustling malls to critical hospitals, efficient metro stations, and ambitious smart city projects, Omega Elevators connects people and possibilities. Our extensive portfolio includes passenger elevators, distinctive capsule elevators, bungalow or home lifts, and specialized fire evacuation elevators, ensuring solutions for every need. Touchless technology to prevent spreading of germs. In addition to elevators, Omega also offers escalators rigorously tested to meet international standards, completing our comprehensive portfolio of vertical mobility solutions. Powered by next-generation technology, our smart elevators deliver exceptional safety, unmatched performance, and inspiring experiences. With the integration of artificial intelligence (AI), Omega stands ready to embrace the digital era of elevators. Our made-in-India technology compliance with the latest international standards. Omega's technology is made in India and designed for global impact. The future is smart. The future is connected, and Omega stands ready to embrace the new era powered by artificial intelligence (AI). Women have been an integral part of Omega progress since the early 1980s. Our strength is our team. Choose Omega Elevators, the trusted partner of leading builders, forward-thinking visionaries, and thriving communities nationwide. At Omega, we are scaling new heights, smoother and smarter. We safely take you to heights with great delight. Omega Elevators, connecting your ambitions to tomorrow. Smart consumers make smart choices.